everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be doing a Don't Starve challenge on Shipwrecked. I'm going to start in hurricane season. This should be fun. Super fun. Oh, also I have mods installed. A lot of mods installed. So if anything doesn't seem right to you, then it's most likely a mod. Oh my gosh, why did it get such terrible world gen? Also, if you're wondering why there's random pieces of coral that aren't in reefs, I have it on a custom preset. So that's one of the things I did to balance out the fact that I'm starting in hurricane season. Because hurricane season is harder than winter, a lot harder than winter, even though it's supposed to be Shipwrecked version of winter. Yeah, you don't freeze to death, but there's winds that can knock bamboo off the stalks and vines too. And there's strong winds that blow stuff around. And big waves going uphill which you can't ride. I'll need to be able to survive it all. I need some sort of rain protection, a sleep cap, and I think that's about it. Those are the two things that I really need. Let me place it in any of the... What the... Oh, I think it just bugged. I got it. I'm gonna need a pickaxe because I need it for more flint and junk. Surely there's more flint somewhere. Oh yeah, I don't think I've explored this section of the island very much. There probably is some more flint. Yeah. Once I get a pickaxe, I'm probably good because I can get flint from the rock. Oh, there we go. Wait, what? There we go. I'm coconuts. I need to grab coconuts. I also need to figure out a way to get gold. It'll probably be the boiling stove. I am playing as Wicker Bomb, so I can craft science machine stuff without the science machine, and the alchemy engine stuff with the science machine. So tools shouldn't be that much of a problem. Or food, because I can craft a hot pot. Oh, by the way, did I mention that to make this even harder, I have a search mod enabled. To make this just that little bit harder. So I have to worry about that too. However, since it is hurricane season, I could get ice. Actually, no, I need the science machine. Because normally it will require an alchemy engine. I might also want to use some of the mods when I've been. I'm pretty sure I have a scythe mod installed. Yeah, I think I have a scythe mod installed. Could be wrong. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I have a scythe mod installed, so yeah. I just need to be able to actually go out and see if I can get the flint. Might have to wait. I think my main source of food will be coconuts for now. Oh, yep, there's the first strong wind. Oh boy. Okay, I don't think it can uproot these. I think we're good for now. Or those things are very frequent. Oh boy. It appears that I have run out of flint. Because I can't grab more because my pickaxe will break. Yeah. So, that's a problem. I don't think there's any more flint lying around. Oh, well, never mind. Maybe flint can be blown away. Can this be blown away? It's just harder to blow away than other items. It's heavier. my fire? I feel like they are. Fell the tree. Just fell a tree. Look how strong these winds are. They can fell the trees. I'm sure those are palm trees. They're not very sturdy. They have a very thin trunk. That doesn't become a problem. And naturally, there are 0 creeks on the island. Oh boy, I think I just heard thunder. That ain't good. That's not good whatsoever. Actually, I don't think it's felling the larger palm trees. And also, I need to gather the octopus. I want to see that. Oh wow, he's actually pretty close by. I just don't know where I'll trade him. Message will show on the map. Interesting. Yeah, I don't have any trinkets to trade, and meat would be very inefficient. I also might want to actually craft a palm leaf hut. That'll probably be useful. Yeah, I really think the strong winds are snuffing out my fire. Oh yeah, right after the first one. I need water, but how do I get the water? Water. I gotta dig. Pull up. Well, I'll be right back. I need to go do something. Alright, I'm back. I have to flip the sign over. Struck by lightning. Come on, I need 2 more breaths and take it for the rest of the night. Oh no, wait, I'm playing with the Wonder Bottom. Ow! Oh, no, not the first one. Water. I'll have to use a mug. I'll have to use water. Yeah. Okay, now I need to cool fire. Feel it. Ow. Man, it really wanted to hit those children. But I'm very close. Woo! Oh my gosh, I am. Or not. Well, there went that. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna try again. That didn't last very long. Let's try that again. No, I don't care about that. Okay, now I kind of want to die. I mean, look at this world generation. Probably got this is probably one of my worst world generations that I've ever had. Like, period. I mean, you have a very small junk, which is essential for your survival. This one, actually, wait, I think that's the Doi Doi Island. Yeah, I think that's the Doi Doi Island. There's the wooden platform thing. Used to build the teleportator. And there's the Seaworthy. I could try and get some gold here, actually. Yeah, this island seems like a pretty good one to live on. need one that's a bit closer by. Well, the volcano's right here. This island's pretty good, except actually no, it's not because there's too many bees. This one, right here, this one. Well, I kind of gotta get over there first, though. So I really need to get to work. I would build a raft, but that seems just too slow. I really hope I didn't just use up all of my flint on that. I think I might have used up all of my flint on that axe. Yeah, I used up all my flint on that axe. Well, now I'm done for. I could make a log raft, but that would be super slow. Well, I guess I did this to myself. Let's go. Probably also gonna get a fat pack before I leave though. There's 4 pomegranate. There might, yeah, I don't think there's enough twigs on the island. There probably is, but I don't really want to waste them. I should use them on more useful things like the tropical parasol. I'll need that for rain. For me to craft the pickaxe anyway. This item is terrible. This is definitely by far the worst because I couldn't even get started properly. I need to craft a tropical parasol first so that I can properly pretty easy craft, just 3 palm leaves, 6 petals, and 4 twigs. And that looks cool too, definitely cooler than the original. Well, I'm definitely ready to start the super short journey. Or super long, why did I say super short journey? Super long journey. This one's perfect, plus it has the doi nest on them. I'm gonna have to go and get the other doi for them to actually breed though. I would just go ahead and craft a feather light sail, but I can't. Not really. Here goes a log raft. There's no difference from a normal raft except it's super slow. It's slower than the regular raft. I couldn't craft a machete, so I have to deal with it the way I need a torch. I don't know if this will suffice though. It might not last long enough. Probably so we're gonna make multiple. I would craft like a boat lantern or boat torch, which lasts longer, but you can't put those on rafts, so that's a no-go. I just hope that there's enough twigs for me to craft 2 torches. Based on my luck, there won't be. Why do I get this world generation? The one I had before this wasn't even that bad. Yeah, I'm gonna have to see if I can make do with a single torch. Or just, you know, get to another island. This island is terrible. Barely anything on it. That wild boar living there, there must be so miserable. Have the entirety of dusk. To get to this island and then attempt to build a campfire. I think it will be. Nope, wait, that's the log. Why did they open the log? I don't know. I don't ever open the log. I don't know why I did that. I think I accidentally pressed the key. I really just gotta hope that there's enough stuff here for me to actually build a pickaxe. Or else this will be useless. Or not. It's almost nighttime anyways. Oh, why is that? I think that's bugged. I just hope I'll be able to get by with the fuel I'm able to get. Right now my only fuel are twigs and a couple pieces of grass. I think I just about used all up. I'm gonna plant these coconuts because I don't need them. Not for now anyways. I just really need a good way to handle the water. Oh no, oh boy. Strong winds. I have to use my papyrus. I rarely even use the books anyways, actually. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Woo! That was pretty close. Yeah, I think, yeah, there's enough for a pick. I feet of flint. I really need to be enough for a hammer. That way I can hammer down my science machine. And I don't have to continuously mine for a gold nugget. I just need an efficient way to solve the thirst problem. Yeah, here's the... stuff. It's bugs. Big. Okay, no longer bugs. Nice machine. Why am I acting like I have a base to go back to? My campfire's probably extinguished. Actually, there's no probably about it. It is extinguished. Flint. Now I just need some wood. And there actually is a couple pieces of grass too. Wooden bottle. Hope I don't die from drinking water or salt. I shouldn't though, I should be fine. Or not. But hey, at least we get better world generation now. Died to drinking water. What a terrible way to go out. At least I didn't die to a coconut this time. Keyword is this time. Because I've already died to a coconut once when I was playing on the pocket edition of this. I felt so dumb. Okay, yes, better world gen. Can appreciate that. That's the one of the Doi Doi Islands. Where's my island? What island am I on? This one. And where's the other Doi Doi Island? This is the other Doi Doi Island. They're pretty far away. That'll be fun. But I think I'm going to end it here for now, so I'll see y'all later. Bye.